Hello once again, YouTube family. And I just got this bag and I thought I'm gonna unbox it with you. I had a hard time looking for it in Japan last December, and so my friend went to Paris, and I thought I'll take the opportunity, right, to actually tell her to buy it. It's a really good investment piece, I believe, because it's like, everywhere, everyone wanted it. And it's something that is like I've been keeping an eye on it, because it's a shoulder bag. Initially I wanted the raw shoulder bag, but that's impossible to buy, right? So here we are, we're gonna unbox it for you. So I'm very grateful for a friend that will, get you some bags, right? But I do have this Goyard that I have for, I believe it's 3 years now. So if this is something that you wanted to buy too, I had the unboxing, or like when I first bought it in Singapore, and it's just such a durable bag. I use this almost every time for like business travel. It's actually my business bag actually. It's been great. It's 3 years now, and you can't really see any like wear and tear anyway, I can do another review on that one. But with the only thing with this one, guys, I just wanted to tell you, right? So when you travel, like, it's nice if you're not wearing a lot of clothes, like summer, or you're just wearing like light clothes, so then you could put it on your shoulder like this. The only thing is that when you're wearing a lot of clothes already, it's very hard to just put it like that on your shoulder. Okay, so it's not something that is very practical to bring, but I obviously, really love this bag. But now let me show you this bag that I've got. I'm very excited for this bag actually, and ta-da, very happy. And guess what color? So I'd like you guys to again pause this just for, a bit of a surprise, right? But this color, of course, is very hard to get as well. Again, sold out everywhere in Japan. The SA already said it's sold out, but I did try to, go to wherever Goyard that I can see in Japan. But again, they don't really have this one. Ta-da! And it's the color that I really love, you guys. So just a close-up look. There you go. Hope you guys can see it. And the color, I hope you guys notice, it's the dark blue one, which is I wanted it for my, forgot what this name is called now, right? The Anjou. It's reversible actually. Did you guys see the comparison, right? And this is what the color that I wanted to buy for this one. But obviously, as you know, with Goyard, right, they're very limited with stock. Okay, and my friend actually waited for a bit of time for this to be purchased. She's in Paris for a few days, and I'm so glad that she's got it. So that's it, you guys. And just wanted to show you inside of the bag. So it's got like a same with the Anjou PM, it does have the mini wallet in there. And the great thing with this one as well, as you guys can see, it does have like a zip, right? So just for comparison as well, so this is the Anjou PM, and it's kind of like almost the same size, and that's why it's just so perfect, for me to have this bag also. And the great thing about this is it has the long shoulder, so whatever, like if ever you're wearing like a bulky clothes, you could still put it on your shoulder like this. Let me just quickly try. Oh, that's another style, right, to wear it. But anyhow, guys, I'm so happy I finally got it. Again, this is gonna be my kind of like everyday bag, because I don't know, I can't really have like small bags, you guys, because I do carry a lot of stuff with me, and like small bags is not for me. What do you guys think? Comment down below. Do you guys like the color? And what do you guys think? What do you guys have? And if you have any questions, of course, let me know in the comment down below, and I'm going to try my best to answer whatever questions that you guys have. But yeah, so the width of the bag is actually big as well. It's almost the same as my Anjou. And so yeah, it's really nice, guys. I love it. So guys, thank you once again. Just wanna unbox it together with you. And if you have any videos that you want me to make for you, or something that you know, that I could unbox or whatever, just comment down below and I'll be happy to, you know, show that video for you. Once again, thank you guys, and don't forget to subscribe. By the way, hit that like and subscribe button so you get updated whenever I upload informational videos for you, lifestyle that will only inspire you, of course. See you next time. Bye.